So I'd like to talk about the flip surf. People are always asking where these go on. I put these on before a lot of people ever did them. But now there's quite a few posts showing where people are putting them. I would like to just show that this is where the crease line is. You can see it faintly in the different colors. And then this is about exactly where this lines up at the bottom, this quarter. I put that at the bottom, and that's where I located this. I wanted this as far back and as low as possible. You'll also notice that I put it at a slight angle downwards. Okay, I got the tape measure. Looks like we're just under 4 inches of this side. And then over here, we're about 5.5 inches.